Hello, welcome to Some Dude's Kitchen. I'm just some dude. I've been up since 3 this morning for no reason, so I'm not getting on camera today. But what we are making is shortbread cookies. So what you're gonna need is a stick of butter. I'll do another video on vegan butters you can find because there are some very good alternatives out there now compared to when I got my allergy. That taste good, are more cost effective and still vegan. So this is going to be the Country Crock plant butter stick. So you want to leave it out at room temperature. So this butter came out of the fridge at 3 in the morning with me. And then you're going to need some kind of binder. This is tapioca flour. You can still use cornstarch, flour. So mine are going to be a little bit darker in color because I'm going to use whole wheat flour, sugar, vanilla, salt, and some way to cream the butter and sugar together. I don't have any kind of hand mixer, so I'm going to be using a food processor. So first thing you want to do is pull out your butter. Once it's at room temperature, you will need to preheat your oven to 325. I forgot to tell you guys we'll need some milk here too. So first put your butter in the processor and then you put in a half a cup of sugar. Right, I apologize for the shaking. My tremors are acting up a little bit right now. So the video quality might not be the best, but here we go. It's all creamed, and then at this point is when you want to put in 3/4 of a tablespoon of milk. And if you look, after you add that milk, it comes together a lot better. And then we're going to take this and put it into a bowl. All right, so now time for the dry ingredients. So it is 0.8 of a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or tapioca flour, a pinch of salt, and a dash of vanilla. All right, so now that everything's in there, what you want to do is wash your hands. Like, I don't care if you just wash them again, make sure they are dry, because we're just going to do a couple mixes of this with the spoon, and then it's best to do it by hand so you can make sure it doesn't get overmixed. At this point, you can take this cookie dough and like in 1 tablespoon scoops or so, put them on an oiled cookie sheet. But we're going to try a hack I saw on TikTok today where you put parchment or wax paper on the counter, put the dough on that, put wax and parchment paper on top, and then roll it out. And I'm going to do that because I love cutting cookies. I don't know why. And I have a star, a pumpkin, and a person. So we're going to do a star today. Okay, you guys, it worked so well. Oh my God. Life changed. The first time I rolled it out too thin. You want to have it about 1/2 inch so these edges are still too small, but the middle's good. So we'll go ahead and start there and then just keep folding it over, rolling it out, and cutting. Now to cook them, and some advice: when you're rolling that out, put more flour down between each time you roll out. And since there's no egg in this, you can eat the scraps. Edible cookie dough. That's honestly should be vegan cookies. Dough's alternate name is edible cookie dough. So we're gonna put it in the oven. There we go. And then cook for 15 to 18 minutes. My oven usually runs a little bit hotter, so 15 will be fine for me. And if you need something to do while you wait, now's the perfect time to catch up your dishes. They're done. So now you want to let them cool off completely, if you can wait that long, and then, you know, put them wherever you want to store them.